find the seeds and seeds. Take your textbook and look the page number 42. Gopal was waiting for his Moses family to visit them. They will be coming the next day for their holidays. He was thinking about all the fun and nice food that he would have with his cousins. Just then his mother called out, Gopal, before you sleep, remember to soak 2 small bowls or katoris of chana gram. She was going to his Bua's house and would return only in the morning. As he was soaking the chana, Gopal thought, how will 2 small bowls of this be enough for 8 persons? So he soaked another 2 bowls of chana. When his mother returned the next morning, she saw that the chana were overflowing from the vessel. How much did you soak? Asked his mother. How did that happen? Wondered Gopal. You soak too much anyway, it is good. Now I will cook half of them and leave the other half to sprout. I can send these to your aunt. The doctor has told her to eat sprouts. Mother said she tied half of the soaked chana in a wet cloth and hung them up to sprout. Near home, your mother is also do this type of work. Pulses, example, pea, chana, gram. These are soaked in water. Then, what things are soaked before cooking in your house? Why? Some things this type of soaking in your water are they? Then chana, moong, dry pea, rajma, soya bean. Then some pulses before grinding up. Example, urad dal. Then rice, pulses, etc. before cooking. Then why these food items are soaking? After soaking, these things swell up and become soft. Only then they become eatable. If rice, pulses, etc. are soaked before cooking, they take less time in cooking and thus fuel can be served. Why we soaked some food items? These soaking food items less time cooking and save fuel. Then how to understand soaked pea or dry pea? Then dry pea is small and soaked pea is very soft and swell. That means their size is big. Then what things do you eat after sprouting? How are they sprouted? How much time does it take? Then this some pulses use this sprouting also to this. We eat chana, moong, etc. after sprouting them. To sprout them, first these are soaked in water and then wrapped in a wet cloth and hanged up so that they get proper water and air. Then what is the use of sprouted pulses? Then because sprouted pulses, these are very nutritious. That means very important in our body. Nutritious means very all components contains. Then next page number 46. You have to see one picture. Then this is the picture of picture plant or nepenthes. That means this plant is eating other animals. That means small insects or small type of animals eating this picture plant. These are the partially carnivorous and omnivore. Then plants which hunt. There are some plants which trap and eat frogs, insects and even mice. The picture plant or nepenthes is one such plant. It is found in Australia. This picture plant is found in Australia, Indonesia and Meghalaya in India. Another place is Indonesia and Meghalaya. It has a picture-like shape and the mouth is covered by a leaf. That means in picture, this mouth is covered by a leaf. Then you have to see small hairs there. Any insects or small animals sitting time, they suddenly close their mouth. The plant has special smell that attracts insects to it. Then when the insect lands on the mouth of the plant, it gets trapped and cannot get out. What a clever way to hunt. That means any insects can sit their mouth, they suddenly catch the insects. Then next, then you have to see some different types of seeds. Then you have to make a list of that different types of seeds. Page number 47. Make a list of seeds that are used as spices in spices means masala and cumin, mustard, etc. Seeds of vegetables, lady's finger. Seeds of fruits, mango, apple, papaya. Then light seeds. That means some seeds have no weight there. Then very small and no weight. That type of seeds, cumin or jeera, aniseed or sombre. Then seeds which are flat. Flat means thin shape. Rajma, apple, cumin, aniseed. Then discuss with your friends. Then another type of seeds. Then which type of seeds using that seeds that are edible. Edible means eating seeds. Then seeds from which oil is extracted. Oil is soya bean, then coconut oil, then coconut, mustard. These are the example of seeds oil. Then seeds which can float on water. Some seeds float on water. Seeds which can float in air. Then seeds which can stick to our body. Then next some you have to see seeds spread to far off places. Some seeds go another place. How to go there? Then answer. Seeds are spreaded by birds, animals, air and water. Birds and animals throw out seeds after eating the fruit. Thus the seeds spread out. Similarly, some light seeds are spread out by wind. Some fruits are carried out by water. Thus seeds are spread out. And seeds different ways can spread. One example is air, water, wind, etc. Then page number 50. Did you know this? Some vegetables where does come. Then in South America, tomato, potato and green chili. Then cabbage came from Europe, pea from Africa, coffee bean, green bean from Africa, then mango, these are India. Then some seeds of vegetables or fruits are in. What are they in India growing? Seeds. Tea, mango, orange, radish, methi, spinach, etc. were grown in India long ago. Then these are the some food item spices grown in India. In this chapter we have to discuss sprouted seeds. Sprouted seeds means some seeds are yesterday soaked in water and you have to cover the red cloth and they have to see white color small plants growing there. Then buds there. These are eating in our body very nutritious. That means in our body give nutrients. Then some seeds are grown in India and some are grown in other area. Example Africa, Indonesia. There. Okay.